Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to be talking about animals and birds. Today I am going to discuss about domestic animals and birds in the world. Starting with domestic animals, the first one is a cow. Number 2, cat. Number 3, dog. Number 4, goat. Number 5, ferret. Number 6, sheep. Number 7, horse. Number 8, pig. Number 9, sugar glider. Number 10, rabbit. Number 11, monkey. Number 12, donkey. Number 13, yak. Number 14, alpaca. Number 15, fish. Number 16, an ox. Number 17, shrimp. Number 18, deer. Number 19, bee. Number 20, kangaroo. Number 21, llama. Number 22, guinea pig. Those are just some of the domestic animals found in our countries. Next, I am going to talk about domesticated birds in the world. Number 1, guinea fowl. Number 2, goose. Number 3, duck. Number 4, turkey. Number 5, parrot. Number 6, dove. Number 7, chicken. Number 8, peacock. Number 9, casper. Number 10, kiwi. Number 11, caucasial. Number 12, finches. Number 13, swan. Number 14, budgerigar. Number 15, columbidae. Number 16, red lory. Number 17, cockatoos. Number 18, canary. Number 19, bella. Number 20, mia mia. Number 21, hazel. Number 22, ruby. Number 23, willow. Number 24, violet. Number 25, pearl. Number 26, rosy. Number 27, autumn. Number 28, ivy. Number 29, daisy. Number 30, pepper. These are some of the domesticated birds in the world. In the next video, I am going to talk about wild animals and birds. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share.